Hi everyone and welcome to today's video, and we're going to go over how to clean your makeup brushes properly. And here you're going to want to lay out all your brushes that you have onto a paper towel. That's what I'm going to do right now, just arrange them. And you're going to want to set down a paper towel just because the area is going to get really wet on the countertop, and this is going to help keep everything clean and not too messy. So now that we've got everything arranged, you're going to want to make sure to have a little tool like this, which I'm going to try to link below, and also some clean dish soap. A tool like this really helps you get into the brushes and get that dirt out. It really helps you to clean them and really get in there. So yeah, I'll link something like this down below so you guys can find something similar. So yeah, you're going to want to go ahead and start off with some hot water. As you can see, my contour brush is pretty dirty. I've already loaded the tool up with some soap. Now I'm going ahead and massaging that in there and getting out all that dirt. If you do not get that dirt out, that's what you're putting on your face every day, this excess dirt, and you're going to see all that. Amazing. Yeah, you definitely want to get that stuff out of there and make it a habit to clean your brushes weekly, because this will really help up your skincare. As someone who used to not do this myself, I've started to make it more of a priority, and it's really, I think, going to improve my skin. So you should definitely make it a habit of yours as well. And as you can see, having a tool like this that I'm using makes it a lot easier to do that. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and dry off that brush. Had to get some more paper towels and set that down for your clean brushes. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and dab that off. You definitely don't want the excess water to stay in the brushes because it could mildew and mold. So you definitely want to dry that off really well before you set that down to dry further. As you can see, I'm making cookies in the background as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and load that back up with soap for the next brushes. I'm going to go ahead and do one more to show you guys, and then we're going to go ahead and move on actually to some smaller eyeshadow brushes as an example. So this is the blush brush that I'm going to go ahead and massage in there with this soap. As you can see from the steam, I'm using hot water to really sanitize that. And yeah, after you clean each brush, you're also going to want to clean that tool with soap as well. So you're going to need to massage that tool out. And you can see I'm getting the excess water out with my fingers as well. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move on to some smaller eyeshadow brushes as an example. I'm really getting in there with it, really massaging that in there. As you can see, all the dirt is just coming out, accumulating right there into that tool. So definitely, it's pretty satisfying to do this. So you're going to want to do it anyways to help your skin, but it's also kind of fun. So yeah, and make sure you clean that off before you use it again. Alright, and now we're just finishing up with these, getting the excess soap and water out, rinsing these eyeshadow brushes out. As you can see, it's pretty much the same way that you would do the larger ones. So not that much difference, but you just need to be careful with the small ones because, you know, smaller bristles, and just definitely be careful. So yeah, patting that out again, getting the excess water out. Alright, and then when you're done with the tool, of course, we're just going to clean that one last time with the soap. Really massage and get all that excess makeup that we cleaned out of those brushes out of there. And now you can see we're good to go. ready for next time's use. Perfect. And now we're just going to lay those out to dry one last time, and then you're good to go and ready for use. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this was informative to you and helpful in your skincare and how you can improve and wash your brushes. So again, love you guys, and thanks for watching.